In this video, you'll learn how to print emails from Outlook without having any content cut off on the side. Let's start by selecting the Drafts or Sent Items folder to choose the email you want to print. Next, open the message so you can view its full content and attachments in the Reading pane. Click the Print option in the More Actions menu to begin preparing your email for printing. In the Print settings, open the Layout dropdown and select Landscape to ensure all information fits across the page. Now expand more settings and browse through print options to choose a larger paper size if you need extra space. Select A3 or another appropriate paper size, then set margins to none to prevent cutting off details at the sides. Open the Scale dropdown and enter a custom scaling value to shrink or enlarge the email so nothing is trimmed when printing. Click the Print button to generate your PDF or send the job directly to your selected printer. Finally, enter a file name for your PDF and save it to finish the process smoothly. You've now learned how to print Outlook emails without any clipped content.